Having zoomed into the sky, watch as he inverts his aircraft and pulls through for a split S, turning her around in no time, demonstrating the effectiveness of this aircraft in combat. As she re-emerges in front of you from the right, Tolly will be carrying out a hesitation roll to demonstrate the agility and the controllability of the aircraft. And here she goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and wait for it. A bonus. A bogey has been reported at 6 o'clock and Tolly has been asked to engage. There she pulls up for a vertical pitchback and re-emerging like the term radiance, which means Tejas in Hindi. He will now turn hard left with maximum rate to get the angles right for a quick burst of the 23mm gun. And here she goes. And the threat ceases to exist. Please look to your left now as Tolly positions for what we call the red eye turn. In this maneuver, the aircraft and the pilot are pushed to the other end of the envelope. The aircraft is subject to a negative 3.5 G. Watch on your left, coming up to the center. There she goes, banking right, turning left. Rolling out, next up is an aerial salute to the wonderful people of the United Arab Emirates who have made this land so prosperous, and of course His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed. Please look straight ahead of you as Tolly positions himself for a vertical Charlie. Watch as he prepares to pull up into the sky, flaunting his Delta platform, Tahiyya Emirati. Continue looking out. Now here she comes for the Formula 1 turn. Watch as she manages to squeeze in a turn tighter than Michael Schumacher in his Ferrari.